In my first year of teaching, I almost never left my classroom because there's so much work to do and you get caught up in your own little tiny world.
I'm busy doing stuff!
But something I've learned over the years is that teaching is something that should never be done alone. You need other people to do this job well. Now, whether that's because you're lesson planning together, or unit planning together, or talking about students together, but also to share the really hard days with and to share the celebrations with.
Let's celebrate. Let's go to Margaritaville.
I mean, I once went to the Grand Canyon all by myself and I turned to look and see if someone was there to celebrate with me and they weren't. I was alone. I had to put my camera in a tree to take a picture. It was sad. But let's move on. And if you think about it logistically, having someone to lesson plan with stops you from recreating the wheel. Having someone to unit plan with, having someone to help you deal with a student that's having a particular issue so your team can get around that, or someone to just watch your class for a second so you can pee.
I gotta go.
Even though education's only ever about the students, it's important for us to remember that the students come and go, but the people that you're working with are the people you'll likely be with for the entirety of your career. So it's important to remember to grow those relationships and cultivate them over time so you can grow and celebrate together.